Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying how the mesh is secured. Spline in a groove, clips along the edge, or adhesive. Use gloves and a ladder if the window is high. Safety first. Insert a flathead or utility knife tip at a corner to loosen the spline or pry a clip. You want just enough lift to create a gap. Once you see space, slide the flathead along the edge to continue releasing the mesh. This prevents tearing and preserves the frame for reinstallation. You now free the mesh methodically by working one side at a time to control tension and prevent sudden tears. Hold the mesh taut and pull gently while you slide the tool along the groove. When spline resists, use needle nose pliers to roll and extract it. If the mesh is glued, score along the adhesive line with the knife and peel slowly. Make sure to support the mesh near corners. Once a full side is free, the remaining edges release more easily without stressing the frame. You finish by cleaning the frame. Pull out all spline pieces, scrape off old adhesive, and vacuum debris so new mesh seats flat. If the frame is bent or warped, gently straighten with pliers. Make sure corners square so spline seats evenly. If the mesh rips, stop and cut the damaged area away before continuing to avoid jams. Once cleaned and checked, test fit replacement mesh, then trim and respline. This ensures a smooth, lasting reinstall without surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.